feet, sharing a room with my brother is a real challenge. He has really weird friends. There's no place for Julia, and she likes to dance after the shower.
You guys have to see this.
This isn't the kind of attention Julia wanted. So embarrassing. Martin, can everyone see me? Give me the phone. Martin, you're the worst. A private space is what Julia needs right now. Actually, it's very comfortable. Okay, that's it. Julia will build a secret room under the bed. Let's start with a plan. Like real builders. What's Julia doing?
Hey, sis.
None of your business, Martin. I'm mad at you. And the secret room plan is almost ready. It's a real dollhouse. I just hope my brother stays out of the way. Julia needs to get some building materials. But spies are always spying. So this is what Julia is up to. A secret room. The frame is in place. What's next on the plan? Oh yeah, putting all the pieces together. And we get a high bed. It looks great. How do you like that, Martin? But the little brother already stole her genius idea. Martin, that's not fair. Come on, Julia, get out of my way. Martin is hard at work. He's a born builder. Did you see that, Julia? My secret room is better. We'll see who's who, Martin. The house under the bed needs walls. These pink curtains will fit perfectly. Let's secure them with pins. And it's done. And the tool comes in handy too. First, we'll fold it this way, and then we'll fasten it to the frame. Martin's house also needs walls. I have an idea. Nobody wants that curtain in the bathroom anyway. Oh, Dad, I'm sorry. Great. The walls are here. Now let's fix them on the bed. With these clips, for example. Are you still trying, Julia? Martin's doing it again, but now the pink house will have a front too. I'll just have to take a sheet off the bed. Let's bend the edge of the sheet, stitch it, and insert a tube. The wall is ready. Martin will be jealous. It's time to add more light to the house. An LED strip will help. Let's glue it to the barrels and walls. Let the light show begin. Now we can have parties here. And Julia's house has a different look. It's all fluffy and pink, but some lights wouldn't hurt either, would they? This heart fits the vibe perfectly. But something is missing. A rug. Now it's perfect. No more of these flags. They'd better go on the ceiling. Wait, how do we get to the top? You need a ladder. Let's make it out of these shelves and make them look like lipstick. Black tube, red lipstick, and metal foil rim. We arrange the shelves by height, and it's done. Now we can rest. The designer is tired. And Martin will solve the ladder question in a different way. Cut mini steps out of a piece of styrofoam. Paint them in different colors. Good! And now the most important thing, a sheet of plywood. Let's attach the mini steps to it. Use hot glue. Martin's got it. Time to try out his personal climbing wall. But it looks so dangerous. It's much easier to just climb on the bed. It's not a bad workout. It's about time Martin got some furniture. At least a chair. But this one is too small. Not good for a real man. What do we do with this? Let Julia have it. But a Lego chair is so much better. What an exciting process. And it's not complicated. Anyone can do it. Wow, it's a work of art. Now let's test the invention. Oh no, mission failed. The Lego chair couldn't take the load. What's up, Martin? Didn't work out? It happens. Please don't cry. I'll show you what comfort is. And Julia's secret cabin will have a beanbag chair. And soon it will turn into a unicorn. Roll a foam sheet into a cone. Hot glue it. Decorate it with a thin, shiny ribbon. Attach the horn at the top of the chair. Use pins for that. And then we move on to the eyes. Stick them to the chair with double-sided tape. Make ears out of foam paper. Let them be bright and shiny. And a lot of flowers. Unicorns love them.
Wow.
What a gorgeous mane, Julia. Oh no, it's all for the unicorn. Now he's so handsome. What about selfies? Smile. Julia's messing around again. And Martin has a grand project. Hangers can be made into an easel. We need a couple of these hooks. Let's fix them on the wall. The easel is ready. Just get a blank canvas. Let's fix a paper roll on the tube, and the artist can get to work. What a talent! And if the artist doesn't like the painting, he can start all over again. You'll never be bored in the house under the bed. Martin has so many more masterpieces to create. So creative! Julia has another pastime. She just loves puzzles. What if we turn this puzzle into a painting? It's easy. You just need a piece of cardboard, double-sided tape, and scissors. First, we cover the cardboard with Scotch tape. And then we can create. The puzzle will hold firmly to the base. Soon, you will get a beautiful panel. It belongs on this wall. Well, we need thread and tape. That's lucky. A bird flew away from its nest. And Martin is ready for a prank. This picture is too cute. That's better. Time to get away from the crime scene. And Julia is already in the house. We have work to finish. These flamingos are wonderful, but there's one piece missing. Where is it? Oh no, this is all Martin's doing. You're so mean. I hate you. You don't scare me, Julia. I'm in the house too. The secret house needs a skate park. A sheet of cardboard and a box cutter are here. You're good to go. Cut out the parts for the base and start by making a mini ramp. The remaining parts are also made out of cardboard. Glue the construction together and add colors to it. But we need one more ramp. With stairs. It will also be made of cardboard and we'll make a railing out of straws. It's so realistic. And no skate park has ever been ruined by stylish graffiti. Let's do it! This is the best track for finger skateboarding. Martin is the champion. The medal is just around the corner, but it's such a dangerous sport. I need a doctor, now! Where else can we put the glitter? That's a great idea. The skateboard is fine. It's all about sparkly creativity. Gently glue it on and smooth it out. Who wants a ride? But Julia has a better plan. Let's turn the skateboard into a swing. We'll need some rope. Let's fasten it to the bed and tie the ends into knots. We're almost done. All that's left is to put the skateboard on the ropes. It looks secure. All that's missing is a nice floral decoration. Let's see how the swing works. Yay! It works great! The house under the bed turned into a beautiful playground. What should I do in my secret room? Watch my favorite TV show, of course, but the phone won't stay up. I wish I could make a real projector. And Martin can do it. A box and a magnifying glass. That's all you need. Put the magnifying glass in the box. To do this, we cut out a hole first and put the phone inside. Start the movie and put the phone inside the box. This wonderful invention works. A movie theater right in the room. What more could you ask for?
Oh, wow.
Oh, a yoga mat. Very nice. Paint small stars on the mat with white acrylic. 1, 2, it's like a starry sky. But the most interesting thing is ahead. Now, let's make every star sparkle. Make holes with an awl and insert the garland's light bulbs in them. It's a lot of work, but Julia is very stubborn. Now let's hang the sky from the ceiling. The stars come out at night. Wow, this is so romantic.
Wow.
This is fabulous. Put the pictures with friends on display. So many memories. They're the best decoration for a secret room. All that's left is a picture with Martin. It's a little boring without him. I wonder how he's doing in his house. And Martin has run out of things to do. It was way more fun with Julia. It's time to call a truce. No more pranks.
Julia, this is yours. You must have lost it.
Thank you, Martin. And this is for you, a gift. Martin has an entire photo collection. Come visit, sis. That's a great idea. And Julia brought something. Martin's got something tasty, too. A chili pepper. Hey, I have an idea. Let's play a tasty game. Spin the arrow and get blue. So someone gets blue food. It's so simple. All right, here we go. This is gonna be a serious battle, and Julia takes these candies. I won't give it to you, Martin. Spin it! Let's see what happens. Oh no, it's broccoli! Why am I so unlucky? Come on, Martin, you can do it. Go ahead, help yourself. A sister will always save you from gross broccoli. I'm so lucky to have her.